don't normally share this with you guys, but something you don't know about me on the weekends. My little bunny friend. Doesn't even get scared anymore when I make noise. Oh, maybe. Oh, there he is. He's laying down. He's laying down again. He's so freaking cute. It's 10 o'clock and it's really warm, so it's gonna get really hot. I think it's going up to like 85. I like 70s. It is Memorial Day weekend, Saturday. So, I am heading to my mom's. Ew! Ew! Bug. Get out! Get out! Ew. I'm seriously like such a bum. Such a bum. Disgusting, but I don't care because I'm just and it's pretty much like almost 90 degrees and I'm in all black and long like Adidas pants. I don't know what I was thinking, but I just didn't feel like dressing up. I feel like bloated. I'm getting my period. I'm just not. No. So I'll sweat like a big fat pig. It's fine. Look who it is!
Very nice camera.
Slithering imbecile. Back at it.
Swine, I always say.
There he is.
Stop.
No.
It's actually a nice camera. Is this for the,
You can put it on like glass and just go around.
Look at you, snazzy pants. What are you doing? Are you staying?
No, I have work.
You have to work?
Yeah.
You guys were coming over. I thought you guys were staying for the day.
Sorry. She just decided to have it on Saturday. I work Saturday. Sundays I'm off. Probably be coming when I'm leaving.
What time do you have work?
4:15, so I gotta leave here at like 3. Ew.
It's not.
Ew!
It's alright, it's an intern.
Is Michelle here?
Yep, you're right.
What?
She's in the bathroom.
Aww. What's that? Oh, Michelle's.
I'm good. What do you got? Something good?
I got some gifts. This is for Mother's Day because I missed it.
Oh my goodness!
Cute. Yeah.
Cute.
There you go. What's all
That's
this?
so sweet of you.
Michelle's making a basket for her bridal shower.
Thank you, darling. Go do your thing with the. So pretty.
Oh yeah, by yourself. Absolutely. Karen, where are the hamburgers and hot dogs?
Yeah, it's disgusting.
See? Oh, what are those veggie burgers? Where'd you get those? Are they black
Those
beans
are
in them?
actually.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, bye.
Go!
And when you
These glasses are so cute. I love them. I always see them at Home Goods. Oh, they're yours?
Yeah, the outdoor ones I got.
Good. You know you're on my YouTube channel.
What do you work on?
You have anything to say? You big baby with your pacifier.
I remember that hotel.
What is that?
You see Drop Pop.
Mommy's gonna open hers too, she said.
All right.
Purple, my favorite.
That's why I got it.
Sit there. Come on, go sit on the over there.
or on the table.
Here, bud, come here. Come over here.
Soph, you look like you grew
I
like
need
5
you.
inches
Sit
since the
right
last
there.
time I saw you.
Sit there so Uncle Gabe can sit.
No, it's okay.
Sit there so another adult can sit. You need to
Or
sit.
sit with me.
So if you want to read
Sophie,
the
sit.
You gotta read this card from Uncle Mike. All right, read the card and then I'll read mine.
You get this face though.
Is this a funny card?
I don't think so.
That's what the sunglasses are for. She's already crying. Didn't even open it yet.
You are. She is.
How do you like the lollipop?
It might not even be a card.
Yeah, it's good. Cup's right there.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
That
Oh,
is nice.
Mike, is that gorgeous? Tell me the name.
The eye is on the sparrow.
Say again.
Eye is on the sparrow, I think it says.
His eyes on the
His
sparrow.
eyes on the sparrow?
Yeah, his eyes.
It's scripture, Mom.
What the heck? There we go. Okay. Iced. Ooh. No. Way too much syrup. What a waste. I don't normally share this with you guys, but something you don't know about me on the weekends, I assist in the dirty work of surgery. You gotta get in there. You gotta get in the crevices. This hubby likes to miss that. How disgusting. Started it. This is the worst. This is literally, this is like surgery to me. Oh, God. I got this. This is new. Target. Nothing more fun. Nope. Alright. Done. So, look, number 1. Actually, this was look number 2. Dirty look. Oh, it hurts my nose though. I like this look though. Like this. Just like squishing. Everything's squishing. I can't breathe. My nose. Room's a mess again. It's Memorial Day. And it was cloudy all day and it just got nice. Finally, I knew it was gonna come out though. I'm gonna go get some veggie burgers and what else do I want to get? Wine and plants, little palms for out here. I'd rather be with you. Ooh. It's like insane. It won't even fit. My thing is so dumb. There's nowhere to put it. That's one I haven't used. Girl, I need a car wash. I need one. Very bad. Needs a car wash. So me and Danny watched this movie this morning. I forget the name of it, but it was like a game over game, something about a game. It's basically being virtual reality in the future. But oh my god, these brakes are so bad. But anyway, it was so disturbing because people probably when they watch it they don't actually think it's gonna happen, but me and Danny believe it is. Like 100% accurate to what the future's gonna be, and it's very disturbing. It was good though. Yeah, motorcycle. As a Mustang's right next to me. It's not that I don't like. No, I really don't like race cars, but. Sporty cars, I don't mind them. I like them. They're pretty. Some of them are nice. I wouldn't personally get one, but like, I just can't handle the muffly engine. It's so annoying. I'll never get over it. Ever. Yep, hear it? There it goes. It's gonna be loud. 2 seconds. If it's your thing, it's your thing. It's not my thing. I wanted to get some flowers and palms, but I feel like Walmart, they're just, I don't know, not good. Okay, I do have to go to Home Depot, spend more money, but these are pretty. Get a light up thing on his car. Look at him. He just doesn't care. He just hangs with us. What's his name? We gotta name him. It's gotta be a boy name though, yeah. Not Roger.
Frodo.
Frodo?
Yeah.
No. Come here. I need to get you carrots. What should his name be, guys? I don't know what to name him. Something very cute. George? Georgie? Georgie, come here. Come here. Come here. This song is from what movie? The part, right? Starts with a B. 2 words. B and a B.
You can't say it because I just told you.
No, it needs to be a 40.
24.
No, another hint. Hold this, babe. Right there. This is perfect. I just been. This was open. Well?
But it's our Monday theme.
Yeah!
Bless you. Worth and Wade.
Okay. That's the purple. My one?
It's mine.
I don't know, God, it was good.
What if they're not? Pig. He's number 1, then Colt. Colton's the cutest, but he's got it.
Join us at our upcoming casting events in these cities or one near you. For more information,
if you want to sign up to be on the next Bachelor, I should.
my feelings are as strong as an ox. Down in full circle.
Oh my god.
Are you
Reese's
doing?
Pieces. Reese's peanut butter chocolate cake cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. Hello.
I told you.
Who is?
My friends got me a cake.
No!
Cheers.
We're gonna talk about it right now because I'm tired. I'm tired. I am tired of you, Aubrey.
What do you want to do?
What do you want to do?
I don't know. I want to sit here with you and have dinner. What do you want to do? You're slapping the table and yelling at people in the restaurant. What do you want to do?
You know what I want to do?
You want to get us in trouble? Yeah, tell me. What do you want to do? Oh.
That's what I want to do.